Hi everyone, we shipped a bunch of cool updates and we bundled everything under this one video to show you what's new with liftOS. Now let's start with templates. We built a beautiful template library, put it in the sidebar with over 37 templates from product management, software development, marketing. The beauty is you can choose which section you add them to, and then when you add them, it's not just a one app template, it's an entire space full of an entire function like feature documentation, structured under folders in the sidebar so you can keep organized and work with your tools side by side using a template right inside of liftOS. Next feature we launched is dark mode. A lot of you have been asking for more UI customization, especially dark mode to work at night. So we shipped this to match your system settings, light or dark, and also works well and beautiful with wallpapers. The next thing we launched is the ability to share your spaces and manage team and permissions with access levels. So we have an admin and we have a member at this moment, and you can manage this either inside of each space. You can directly add users into a space, or you also see that a section, for example, product management, have been automatically added to the space with full access. So your team members trickle down to the spaces under that, so you don't have to always keep adding them to new spaces. It's a bit like Notion team spaces, but built for liftOS and the section and space structure. What you're seeing right now is a new section model, which we can manage section members. We can remove, add new members, change from admin to member. And this is basically a team who will also then be able to see every space under that team automatically. Next feature update we have is the ability to we've moved a bunch of things around in the UI. What you can see here is the folder adding of a sidebar was all the way at the bottom, and we've moved it all the way at the top to make it easy and reachable, and we've also remodeled the add new app button, and also the space name change and the space expansion button have been remodeled. Now the last thing is we have built an onboarding UI, so all of your new joiners can join liftOS with a beautiful onboarding, a new guidance. This goes for existing workspaces, but it also goes for all the users that have been invited to a new workspace, joining a new workspace. As you can see, in the onboarding, we ask you to select a template, or at least we ask you to tell us what you're working on, and we will assign you a template. We automatically create a beautiful space with all the folders, with all the information you need. For example, user feedback and insights has 4 folders. Inside of these folders has notes and to-do applications. We set everything up for you. So as soon as you log in, your template, what you're working on, is ready, and you can get going within the matter of seconds with your new workspace, created from scratch for you directly at the beginning. And this is our new onboarding experience. Happy to have shipped all of these. Happy to increase the number of features, the depth of features, and the user experience at liftOS. We'll be shipping way more excited stuff also within the next few weeks. So keep in touch, and thank you very much for following us in the journey.